Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix fail to send message on Instagram. So if you are trying to message someone on Instagram and Instagram is again and again sending you an error which is like fail to send a message on Instagram. So how you can fix this? What you have to do is simply open up Instagram application on your mobile phone and simply go to search bar. And in the search bar, you have to just simply search for that specific account in which you want to send the message, and you are getting an error which is failed. So what you have to do is simply, if you are trying this kind of message like this, and simply send the message. In most of time, you are getting an error. So in order to overcome the error, you guys can see here it has sent the message. But from your side, if it is not sending the message, you have to just simply open up profile and make sure that you have to just simply follow the account. So after following the account, go to again and simply send the message. So after entering the message, your message will be successfully sent to the specific account of that specific person. So this is the only way. I don't know what happened to this update. So after this update, lots of time when you are getting this kind of error like like fail to send message, then you have to do is simply follow the account first. After that, you have to just simply make a message and your message will be sent successfully. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.